Hey guys, it's Jake here. Welcome back to another English listening practice episode.
And I'm Jenna. Today, we've got something super cool for you. You're going to listen to a long, natural American English conversation.
Yeah, just relax. Don't stress about understanding every single word.
Exactly. Just listen. Let the conversation flow. Try to catch emotions, tone, pauses, everything that makes real conversation feel real.
All right, guys, listen to this conversation. Just listen.
So, did you already start the coffee? I swear I can't function today.
Yeah, I made some. You look half asleep. Rough night?
Yeah, I went to bed early, but my brain was like, nope, let's think about every mistake you've made since middle school.
Oh my gosh, that's literally you every night. Did you at least fall asleep eventually?
Yeah, like an hour before my alarm. Classic.
Oh, here, sit down. I'll pour you a cup.
You're an angel. Seriously. Oh, hold on, my phone's buzzing nonstop today.
Work again?
Mm-hmm. They're asking for updates even though it's Saturday. Like, chill, bro.
That's wild. People really forget about boundaries.
Yeah, I kind of wish I wasn't the responsible one sometimes.
Hey, it's okay. But you also deserve rest. You know that, right?
I know. Thanks.
So, any plans for today? Well, you were supposed to clean the living room, remember?
Oh, yeah. Right. Totally didn't forget. Definitely wasn't planning to avoid it.
Uh-huh. I'll believe that when I see it.
All right. We can clean. But after breakfast and coffee. Lots of coffee.
You're dramatic.
I am expressive. There's a difference.
Sure, whatever helps you sleep at night or keeps you awake thinking.
Ouch. Okay, that one was good.
By the way, my mom called earlier.
Oh, everything okay?
Yeah, she's fine. Just asking if we're coming over next weekend.
Actually, yeah, that might be nice. We haven't visited in a while.
Yeah, she misses you. It's cute.
She said that?
Yep, she likes how you help her fix stuff around the house.
Well, I do have my talents.
Don't push it.
Too late.
Okay, but seriously, it'd be nice to go.
Yeah, I'd like that. Oh, did you hear that? Something fell in the pantry.
Ugh, probably the rice container again.
I'll check. Hold on. Oh, wow. Everything is a disaster in here.
Oh, great. Add that to the cleaning list.
Perfect. My favorite activity.
Oh, hush. We're doing it together.
Fine. Deal. But after breakfast.
After breakfast.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Now drink your coffee before you start complaining again.
I never complain.
Sure.
Okay, yeah, maybe a little.
A little. Right.
You know, mornings like this feel kind of nice.
They really do.
All right, guys, let's talk about some of the cool vocab and phrases from that conversation. Nothing too serious, just stuff people actually say in real daily American English.
Yeah, like when Jake said, I can't function today. That's such a real expression. It just means you're extremely tired and your brain is like, nope, not working.
Story of my life. And then we had this phrase, my phone's buzzing nonstop. We use that when your phone keeps getting messages or notifications over and over.
Another one is people forget about boundaries. This is super common. It means people don't respect your time or personal space.
And I love the line, you deserve rest. That's something Americans say honestly and emotionally. It feels supportive.
Yeah. And when I said, I'll believe that when I see it, that's a playful way to say you don't really trust someone to do something.
Oh yeah, that's a great phrase. Use it with friends jokingly.
And don't forget, add that to the cleaning list. This is something people say when something bad happens and they just accept it.
Guys, notice how we use fillers like mm-hmm, uh-huh, yeah, oh, okay, right. These make conversations sound real.
Exactly. If you only speak using textbook sentences, it won't feel natural.
So practice these, use them. They'll make your speech feel so much smoother.
So, do we really need to go grocery shopping today?
Yes, there's literally nothing in the fridge except mustard.
Mustard is not a meal?
No, Jake, it is not.
Okay, fine. Let's go.
Did you bring the list?
No.
Jake!
I thought you had it.
Okay. Well, just remember, we're adults. Kind of?
Debatable.
Yeah, fair.
It's actually nice outside. The weather's kind of perfect.
Yeah, finally, it's been freezing all week.
Do we need eggs?
Yes.
Bread?
Yes.
Cereal?
Yes, Jake. Everything is yes. Just assume yes.
Okay, fine.
You know what? Let's get some flowers too.
For the apartment?
Yeah, it brightens the place up.
Then yeah, let's get some.
You're in a good mood today.
Coffee finally hit.
There it is.
Okay, produce section first.
Yep.
Do we need onions?
Yes, but only a few. Last time, you bought enough to feed a restaurant.
Preparedness?
Chaos?
Same thing.
Not even close.
These look good.
Grab 4.
Got you.
You know, shopping like this is kind of fun.
Fun?
Yeah, it feels like life. Normal life. Warm. Simple.
I get that. I really do.
Okay, frozen section next.
Lead the way. All right, guys, let's break down some of the natural phrases from conversation 2. And again, nothing robotic, just real talk.
Yes, I love this part. So first we had, there's literally nothing in the fridge except mustard. This is such a funny, common American exaggeration.
Yeah, people say literally, even when it's not, like, literally true. It just adds drama.
And then when I said, we're adults, kind of, that's a supernatural, joking phrase people use when they admit they're still figuring life out.
I also love the part where she said, everything is yes. That's conversational, casual, and super American. It's like, dude, stop asking. The answer's already obvious.
Exactly. And then it brightens the place up. We use brightens up for anything that makes a room feel happier.
Another one, preparedness. I used it jokingly. Americans do that a lot, using big, serious words for small, dumb situations.
Totally. And phrases like lead the way, super common, super friendly.
Guys, remember, real English is full of uh-huh, yeah, okay. Wait, hold on. Oh my gosh, seriously? These little things give life to your speech.
All right, guys, that's all for today's episode. You did amazing. Seriously, listening to long, natural conversations is one of the best ways to learn.
If you enjoyed this, make sure to hit that subscribe button, follow us, share the episode, all that good stuff.
And join us again next time for more natural American English.
See you guys soon. Take care.
Bye.